guys, I am Sia and welcome back to my channel.
I am Alex.
And today we're going to play a game and it's called Snack Raffle. So here are our materials. Here we have our cups and then we have the box so we can stay. Here are the paper choices. It has popcorn and banana and everything that are snacks. That's why it's called Snack Raffle. The choices are watermelon, teddy bear, but it's not a teddy bear, a cookies. It's a cookie. Popcorn and corn, ice cream, chips, ahoy, cookies, and banana. We're not even going to go in the store to buy these things. So that's why we already buy all the things that we need. So we'll be just okay, so Mom is going to place the letters, the choices in the cups.
Close your eyes. Okay, almost done. Kulang. Last one. Okay, open your eyes. Okay.
I don't know. I might get corn or banana. At least it's healthy. What are we going to do is we have these toys, mouses. We're going to throw them in the cups. And then if we throw it there, then we'll get the paper and then see what are we going to eat. Yes. Ouch. So Alex has 3 chances if she did not shoot it, and then I have 2 chances or 1 chance. So let's start.
That's so near. Huwag ganun kalapit, Daya. Go, round 1. Go.
No, you stay there. Wait, again. 2. Going. again, Alex, come on. Last chance. No, you let her try until she shoots it. Go. Again. Go, 1, 2, 3. Ano yan? Oh, sige na, sali ka na. Yan. Tuloy. It's okay. Go get your toy. Alex, here, go.
Wait, later, you have to wait for Alex to finish hers.
Ice cream! I got ice cream.
Oh, you put it again. Okay, Alex, Sia got ice cream. Oh, let's wait for Alex to finish hers.
Ice.
Yay! Okay, go. Excuse me. Let's let Alex finish. You can go nearer na, Alex.
I'll go here now. Here. Here now. Let's see what you'll get.
Choose a cup. Eee! Again?
Alex, no, don't choose ice cream. The other one. I want to choose ice cream.
Daya. Can you see Alex?
Ice cream.
Let's try another round. Go. go read it. We're gonna read it one at a time. Ate Sia first will read. What is it? Huh?
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear cookies. How about Alex?
Corn. Popcorn.
No, it's not. Can I see? Can I see? Come here.
Corn.
Can I see?
Corn.
You read it nga? What letter is this? What letter is this? K? Oh. Her? Huh? Hmm? Again? K? Very good, Alex!
I
High five!
got
High five!
teddy bear.
Teddy bear, you're my care. Teddy bear, I know that I care. Yay! So did you enjoy the game?
Yeah, just that round.
Yeah!
Just the round.
Yes! That's enough. You're gonna get... Sia is going to get... What are you gonna eat, Sia? You're gonna eat what? Ice cream and...
Popcorn.
Ah, Sia is gonna eat ice cream and teddy bear cookies. Alex is going to eat popcorn, not popcorn. It's ice cream and
Just Alex.
corn.
No, Alex just got one. Diba you said, no, one round kasi we're the same ice cream.
O sige, you're gonna
No,
eat...
ice cream and popcorn man ako.
Hindi nga popcorn nakuha mo. Corn.
One popcorn. I like corn. And one corn.
Let's choose only one. You choose one. Diba you got popcorn? You got corn and ice cream. Choose one. What do you like?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Or how about you, Sia? Which one do you like? Ice cream or the teddy bear? Yeah, just choose one.
I like ice cream.
Ang kulit mo.
I like popcorn.
No, you got the ice cream and teddy bear. So what do you wanna choose?
I think nila nasarap yung ice
The
cream.
face.
Popcorn. Hindi ka na
Hindi nga. You have to follow what you got. Ice cream. So Sia and Alex are going to eat
Ice cream.
ice cream. So let's get your ice cream.
Okay, guys. Bye. 3, 2, 1.